So starting the test drive in this Ram 1500 Night Edition, tons of power with this Hemi V8. And I just love the sound you get from the engine bay, the exhaust system. It's just menacing, I love it. And just the driving dynamics so far are very, very enjoyable. Just nice, quick, linear power. Even with this 8-speed, it wants to redline, and that's one of the things I love about it. It's just all the shift points and just how it drives in general. Let's see if we can use these paddles. Well, I guess the manual mode. Yeah, I like how quick the shifts are. It's crazy with the touch of a button. This is faster. Well, it shifts faster than some vehicles that have actual paddle shifters. So that's very impressive. We're gonna hold the plus button to get out of that mode, and then we're gonna turn on the cruise here. Just not wanting to activate now. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong, so anyways, that sucks. But I mean, a pretty nice ride coming down the interstate here. Road noise is there, but not terrible. I don't know why I cannot get this to work. Y'all let me know what I'm doing wrong in the comments if you see it, but I don't know why this is not wanting to come on. But I mean, the ride is good. The driving dynamics are great in these trucks. They really are. It's just crazy. This is stock, and it's just so much fun to drive. The sounds you get throughout, just very aggressive and super enjoyable. Now, I think the price point for this truck was like $30,000 or $36,000. I'll leave a link below. I'll try to include the price as of when this video was recorded, but pretty good deal, I think. Just for getting a full-size pickup truck, you get this nice looking Night Edition. Miles are up there, but not overly high for the year because it's a 2018, but this is a 6-year-old truck now. So about average in terms of mileage. But visibility is good, I like that. I think these side mirrors are aftermarket as well. They're kind of like blind spot mirrors. I like those. I really like whoever had this truck before. They had good taste, in my opinion, having the rain guards, the tint strip, and then the tint on the side windows as well. But I like this truck, I really do. If I could afford to trade my 04 Tundra in that has 210,000 miles, if I could even trade on this, I'd do it. I just really like, and not even for the tech and everything, because honestly with my aftermarket parts, my Tundra is more technologically advanced in terms of the audio system than this is, but it sounds so good. It drives so well, and it's a Ram, and that's what this feels like. It's not like some of the newer trucks where you're like, I'm not used to a Silverado sounding like this, or I'm not used to a Duramax driving like this. This feels like a tough, buff pickup truck. I'm just very impressed with it, again, for the mileage, that nothing is out of place or out of the ordinary where I'd notice it. So everything seems to be running like new, and it, again, just sounds so good when you put your foot into it. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2018 Ram 1500 Night Edition.